welcome back to another video. I just wanted to share this kind of secondhand testimonial real quick on the debt saver system. I think it's just too good. It's on this, I put out a video how the debt saver system works, okay, pretty recently, June 5th, and it's just great comments on here. Thank you for all your comments, everyone, and sharing the videos, just because this is so hidden. You know, YouTube doesn't put it out, can't post it on Facebook myself, only you can, that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's just read this testimonial here on YouTube as a comment real quick. Man, this is and this is Jaron here. Thank you, Jaron, for letting us know everything's working on your end. Our work is so that, you know, it works for you. That's why we do this. So it's great for us to hear when it's working. Yay. We love to hear from everyone. Okay. Man, this is no bullshit, man. I love that. This shit works. I'm definitely going to do a testimonial. Great. And this will be like the pre-testimonial, sort of. So I sent out first mailing, one creditor PayPal credit, removed the debt. The rest of them pretty much sent statements. I even sent one to my mortgage, PennyMac. They replied basically saying they don't agree to the terms of what I sent to them. However, they made a huge mistake, in my opinion. At the end of the letter, it says, please contact our California division to make arrangements to view the original note. So I called. Got the runaround. They finally gave me a number to their escalations department since I put in a claim. I called last week, left a voicemail, still haven't heard back. I've since sent a second mailing out. Bank of America responded and said, further review, we decided to close the... Upon further review, we decided to close the account. I can't even log in anymore. It says there are no open account. I haven't heard from them anymore. They were calling because I stopped paying. That was a $17,000 balance, okay? $17,000. Then today, I received an update from Credit Karma, and a total of $58,000 worth of debt was deleted from one of the bureaus. It was TransUnion. Then, on my Equifax report, my freaking mortgage was deleted. What the fuck? I was so pumped. Still am. I figured that the bureaus have to also notify the creditors unless the creditors made the suggestion. PennyMac is closed on weekends. Sure, they'll know all about it on Monday. I plan to wait a few days next week to see what's up. Jack, do you know what this means, sir? I mean, as far as my mortgage being removed from the bureaus, this is crazy. Thanks, man. This was money well spent for sure. Just a few weeks ago, I was happy that $3,000 was removed. I figured that was a win. Wow, dude. Wow. Just to add, my student loans, $19,000, was removed from Equifax and TransUnion on my credit account. Crazy, because Navient just recently responded and basically told me to screw off. I was preparing for letter number 2. Now they're deleted. I still need to check Experian, but damn, this is a good start. I mean, isn't it great when you know, things are happy and this whole debt nonsense is removed? That's why I do this work, for this level of happiness. People, you know, get to focus on what's important in life instead of just slaving away for these, you know, trying to enslave us bankers. So, Jaron, fantastic. Thank you very much for taking the time to write about your success. We really appreciate it. A testimonial video when you get a minute, anytime, fantastic. Keep up the great work. Just want to say the only reason I do this work is for people's success like this. And I have a lot of proof. No one else out there doing any of this kind of financial work at all in any of these arenas posts proof of their client's success. No one. Just myself, and then all these, you know, people are happy. Why shouldn't you be? If you're happy with someone's work to this level, you should be very happy and put it out there, and thank you for doing that. And all the rest of you fakers, quit taking these people's money. It's such a lie. Where's your proof? This is just more proof. All right. Have a happy day now. All right. Way to go, Jaron, and God bless you.